Welcome back, you beautiful people. Do we ever have a deal here for you today? 6 Whalings in Stittsville Crossing Bridge. Might be one of the best neighborhoods in the west end of the city. You've got walking trails, you've got proximity to shopping, CTC, hangar outlets, everything that you could possibly want in a great neighborhood. As always, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this with someone you think might like a home just like this one. What have we got today, Elliot?
Well, today, Sean, we have a one-owner, super well-maintained home here. You know what? There was never a bunch of kids running around this place beating it up. You know how they get. This place looks awesome. It can certainly use your personal touches, but it is ready to go as is. And we have 2 bedrooms with an option for a 3rd bedroom. We can explain that inside. 2 bathrooms, a finished basement. We have a recently paved driveway. You don't have to, look, your driveway's better than everyone else's here.
Sure.
Maybe the house is too.
But let's stop talking about it. We'll go inside and have a look.
Now we're super nice and sunny and bright outside, and we are the same inside. I love this. All new paint throughout. We have a really handy powder room right off the front entry. You know how much I love that? And as I walk in, I'm greeted by an amazing view out the back of the home of nature, a park. It's great. I'm not looking at someone's fence or someone else's home, and I get to come through here in this beautiful new engineered hardwood flooring throughout the living space here on the main floor. And that flows seamlessly over to the kitchen.
And this kitchen is great because it continues that light and airy feeling. White cabinets, white stove, white fridge, white dishwasher, and the view out the back is awesome, and the size here is unbelievable. You could even have an eating kitchen right in the middle, and you've got all of that extra space to do that and enjoy. Now this light, open, airy feeling continues. The banisters are all painted white, and of course at the top of the stairs you've got your full family bathroom, 4-piece, and there's jets in the tub. Amazing. And that carries through into what would have originally been the primary bedroom here, but this is the secondary bedroom. Huge closets, great view out the back of the park and the soccer field.
Now, located at the front of the home is this primary bedroom, and it is huge. It spans the entire width of the house and has a great big closet. Now, why is this bedroom so big? That's because originally this should have been 2 bedrooms. However, this owner, when they ordered the home from the builder, had it turned into 1. You can easily go back to making this 2 bedrooms and end up with a great 3-bedroom home here.
Hey, look at this, a basement with great storage, and it's got a laundry room.
And of course, as you can see, it's finished down here. Now, a house in this price point with a finished basement, that's really great. You don't often get that. Here, it's perfect.
Now, of course, the theme of this whole home has been the fact that you've got no rear neighbors and a park and a soccer field behind you. So if you want to be doing the dishes while the kids are out playing, this is the perfect home for you.
There's all kinds of extra little things out here too that are great. You know, we have a new awning here, a couple of years old, give you a nice shade on that patio when you're enjoying some hot summer days. And we have leaf filter protecting all your eaves trough from those pesky leaves. The water still gets in and runs out very well. And this place back here, when in bloom, is beautiful. We have some photos inside to show.
Yeah, you know what? This house has been really well maintained. It's been a really great home, and you can tell the care that's gone into it. So if you'd like to book your own private showing, as always, give us a phone call. The number 1-888-REAL585. And until next time, keep it real.
Collective.